1 and the video has started. Hello everybody, I am playing Build-A-Boat with a friend. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Sam, also known as Speeder Raptor. Right.
Exactly. So the other day we started making this big boat, which is like a U.S. military boat.
Yeah. Yep. And then now I'm show it to you because it's officially done. Finally.
Practically.
This took us like a week.
We just need to fix that back part of the escape pod, but then we're done. We need to fix this escape pod.
We're gonna need to
make it bigger.
We're gonna need to
make it bigger.
No, I'm thinking. Yeah,
we just need to make this part bigger. Not thicker, but longer. No, Sam!
Let's just redo this. This is way too tight.
Alright.
Seriously. Oh, that was sad. Literally, it just
showed like ball. No! Stop! Stop! Don't let me go. Don't go.
I need to replace the clock.
I fell. Sam. I fell.
Why are you doing that for?
What do you get when you guzzle down sweets? Nothing. What do you get when
We're also gonna need to put thrusters on this just in case.
I know, that's why I'm making it long. Because we need thrusters.
Alright.
What do you get when you guzzle down sweets? Tell me what you get when you guzzle down sweets.
I don't know. Not the same color. Yes, that's the same color. And you deleted that block. Great.
Faster? What did I delete? I deleted no crap. Ah! Don't you dare push me!
You literally went ham.
Ham.
We got some ham.
What do you get when you like diabetes? What?
What?
What do you get when you guzzle down sweets? Nothing, because your dad just left you. That was just wrong. That was just wrong. What do you get when you guzzle down crap?
What do you mean crap?
Noob. What do you get when you guzzle down a noob? Probably becoming your diabetes. I don't know what the heck I'm saying.
We're just saying
I'm just saying nothing. Wait, but should we make the button automatically automatically switch the thrusters? Or are we gonna have 2 buttons?
We need the key binding tool. That's what we need.
Key binding?
So there there can be like a button and then another button, and when we activate them, they would activate like the thruster and butter blocks at the same time. With key binding tools, we can just make a button, activate all these butter blocks, and not the thruster, and then we can make them. You know what I mean?
Yes, I know what you mean.
Well, you can search it up.
I'm gonna go find your goddamn Hey, who are you? Your mama.
So when are we gonna have these cow costumes on?
For 5 years.
Because this was like a trend, I guess.
Yeah, it used to be a trend, but since the trend ended, we became the moo-moos. Since the trend ended, we became the moos. The moo-moos. You know the video's only, how many minutes long? It's only 15 minutes long.
Brother, we literally wasted 15 minutes talking and doing stuff. I'm gonna put some chairs on the top.
I'll make a second video.
No.
Yeah, I will. I'll make 2 videos and I'll post them. They only take like 30 minutes to post because I this screen recorder.
Let's go to buy. I could get 25 marble eye rods.
How?
I don't freaking know.
Hey, no cursing in my free Minecraft server.
It's like someone's like,
No cursing. And then someone says a potty word. No cursing. No, when someone says a potty word. When someone says frick. Hey, no cursing. We will report you to the police. Dude, you're gonna mess up my building.
You're welcome.
No. Noob. Die. I want to die. We're all gonna die. These thrusters are messing up my blocks. Ugh.
You can just delete them and then replace them.
Never!
Because it's nothing!
You see that? Well, you don't. Why? Because it's nothing! Is it just me or are the blocks not placing correct?
Dude, delete the freaking thrusters.
Never. No. Noob. Noob.
Die.
No, we're doing it like this then, the back. We're gonna do it like this, and then we're gonna do it like this. You see that? Well, you don't. Why? Because it's nothing. We're in a Christian Minecraft server. Well, you're not allowed to curse. Wait a second, isn't it gonna get stuck? It's gonna get stuck. If it does, it's your fault because you wanted to build this part. Nani? Omae wa shindeu nani? And you're not allowed to sing because you're gonna get me copyrighted.
Oh, shoot.
If you sing, you're gonna get. If you sing, you're gonna get me copyrighted. You're gonna get me copyrighted.
Ow. I'm not even singing anything.
If you start singing, you're gonna get me copyrighted. Which is gonna be a R. Which you're gonna make my video rated R. Just from cursing. If you say one bad word, you make this video rated R. So don't you dare say a potty word, or else I'm gonna unfriend you. If you say a potty word, you are getting unfriended.
We're dumb.
That is dumb. You are rude. Like, why are you like this? You're rude.
Good.
Bro, move. Okay, I'm done.
No, you're in. I'm gonna make this video copyrighted.
Don't you dare. I'm gonna mute you. I'm literally about to mute you because you're gonna make my video copyrighted. Alright, peoples. Are you ready, kids? No, Captain. I can't hear you. No, Captain. Shush. Who lives in a pineapple? Oh, shoot. I'm gonna get myself copyrighted. Get in! And save the vehicle! Save it! Dude, save the boat. Save the boat. What are you doing? Sam, this is a bet. Sam, it's gonna get stuck. Sam.
Saving it.
Get ready. Because we're gonna go. Zoom. Nope, it's connected to the roof, so we can't do that. Alright, I'm ready. Did you save it?
Wait.
And did you get in your seats?
Save it again.
Did you get in your seats?
Yes,
What? You took my seat. Alright, I'm ready.
Jesus, see you.
But
oh! Why you do that for?
I knew it.
Brother!
Ah!
I guess that's one way to make an escape pod.
Woohoo! I'm glad I'm recording right now. I literally just flung myself out of the map. Sam, you broke the boat! What do you get when you get so dumb?
You!
Sam, you messed up my boat.
What?
I'm
No,
stuck.
you messed up.
Yes.
My,
I'm on the
you
loose.
messed up.
I'm coming. Noob.
No, I'm what?
Dude, I'm trying to catch up to you. Get noobed.
You know what? I need to go pee.
No, you're gonna make me copyrighted.
I need
Bad word.
Yeah.
Bleeps. He says bad words.
Yeah.
Boing. Dude, I'm gonna break this entire boat. Bleep. I need a bad bleep. Addison, right? Oh shoot. Ah! This is never gonna work. Beep. I need a bad bleep. Sam, I'm gonna catch up. Beep. Must destroy the boat. Noob. Pew. I'm faster than you, loser.
What the heck?
Oh,
You're
loser. I'm gonna break the game.
Mother, what are you